In medieval Europe, pigs and rats were actually put on trial for their crimes. Imagine a courtroom scene where a pig stands accused of trampling a child or a rat faces charges for destroying crops. These weren't just symbolic gestures, entire legal proceedings were carried out, complete with judges, lawyers, and even witnesses. The bizarre practice reflected the society's belief that animals were moral beings subject to human laws. In some cases, the animals were given legal representation to ensure a fair trial. Lawyers would argue on behalf of the accused, presenting evidence and questioning witnesses. The legal system at the time was heavily influenced by superstition and the belief that every creature was part of a divinely ordered society. Thus, even a pig could be seen as a criminal deserving of justice, or punishment. These trials often took place in the same courts where human trials were held, and they followed many of the same procedures. The outcomes varied, some animals were acquitted, while others were sentenced to death. Execution methods could be as elaborate as the trials themselves, with some animals hanged or burned as a warning to others. This peculiar practice highlights the intersection of justice and superstition in a time when the line between the natural and the supernatural was often blurred. While it seems absurd today, these trials were a serious matter in medieval society. They reveal a fascinating aspect of legal history, offering a window into how people of the past understood justice, morality, and the natural world. This quirky chapter of history reminds us that the concept of justice has evolved dramatically over time, sometimes in ways that are almost unimaginable to the modern mind.